I'm a human. And now wait, a bird? Okay, well, welcome back to Time for Sad Guys. Today it looks like I'm going to be living the life. Okay, guys, so I joined the game. Looks like a pretty good server. Okay, tab. Yeah, I'm not new to this game. I know how to move. Yeah, I'm not stupid. Whee! Yeah, I know I'm not stupid. The game maker probably thinks I'm stupid. I don't know, but wait, I'm gonna do a bird call. Okay, so the mouth in this game, the mouth actually moves when you do something, when you make a sound. Come on, go, go, go! No, no, bad bird, bad bird, bad bird. No. I'm sorry that I'm not doing much talking in this video. Okay, so now we're experiencing the life of a natural bird. And we need to find some water for sure because we're going to die if we're not careful. Okay, water, water, water. I need water, 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 water. Okay, so that's for that my whole water thing. Now I need some food because I'm not going to make it if I can't find food right now. Now, in this game, when you find food, my game just blacked out for a second. No, in this game, when you find food, you have to touch it to actually eat it. Where is my bird food? Oh, my bird food. I need food. Somebody help. I just leveled up. need to find food soon, guys. Found him. Oh, that's another bird. Okay, I've run out on my food level. And I need food quick or else I'm gonna die. Eat it, eat it. Ugh. I never read what cardinals eat. If you know what cardinals eat, then comment down below what they eat, cause I don't know. I should have read the freaking description. Should have read the freaking description before I actually started playing. No. Yeah. Well. I don't think I can make it. Meh. And I think that now I have to die.